How do you like my flower? Hmm? I don't know yet. Maybe I'm gonna sew in that flower or make flower everywhere, or maybe make this smaller. I still thinking what I gonna do with this flower, but I can show you quick, then you can do it. Your flower, you use loop yarn. You cut first, you see. You cut first. You count 4 loops. Put them together, tie it up. Okay, you tied it up. You have 4 loops. You don't count this. 4 in a round. Now you're closing them. You just close to make this. Close 1, 2, 3, and you put this, the last one, over here. Okay, you got this. Then you continue to put another heart, double. So you doubling that flower, the front of the flower. You do second one and another second one. See? Then you do over here more, double and double. Okay. Now you have 4 flowers, yeah? Oh, 6. So from this 6 you close them again. I think that's how we close. Yes, we close them. Close them. See, you pull through those loops and you just close them. Okay, you did close them, and always the last one you close again somewhere to pull it, just like that, and you pull another one again. You pull another one, okay, and you have 2. It doesn't pull this way. Yeah, then like this. You have 2. Now you have 1. Now you have 2. And 1. And 1. And again you have 2. We didn't skip any. We got that 2. 1, 2, 1, and now 2. So 2, 1, 2. So we have how many now? This doesn't count. It's like a working. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, we have like this. Maybe it still have to go this way. Yep. So now we're closing again. And closing again. You use Alize yarn or on the hook, Lion brand. You can find them everywhere. Internet, it's very good, cheap too. And you close 2 stitches to the end. Yes, here 1 more. That's it. And always the last one to the last stitch. Okay, you pull this through, you cut this, make longer. See, you make longer because you're gonna tie that up, so make longer, like a 6 inch, and you have the front of the flower. Okay, you can attach even that front, it's so pretty too. And you take another color. I have like this, I have blue, I have white, so I can try different color. Here's blue, okay, too, just in case I do longer later. If I do more, I will know. Now you pull this stitch through this, and then through this. See, that's your first one, and you pull one more. This too tight, but handling two. Sometimes I get my hook. If you use hook, you see how easy. One, now 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and 1. You see here 2, oh, you have 1, 2, 1, and you, I will practice, maybe it's gonna be better, you know how that, because I don't know what's going on with this, but I'll fix when I go more of them. I mean, practicing is the best. Don't expect first flower perfect, you know, not gonna work. Yeah, it's a lot waste of yarn, but we have to tie it up. We have to put somehow that we have to tie it. If you don't tie it, what's gonna happen? I pull here, you see, so, and I tied here, and when I sew them, connect them, I get them down, and I will touch and pull through all yarn. And round mat I'll do later. I have to figure out what yarn to use, and I'm gonna make you round this, show how to do the round of this. This is called crochet stitch, so this is not knitting stitch. I can do knitting stitch, and we have two. Let's do like this, something symmetrical. And I plan do more of them. Now you can see how they're pretty. How do you like? Thank you for watching. This is my was round mat, and I attach some flowers because it's Easter time, summertime, everywhere it's flower. This is a little bit different, this is different. This is like a rose. You can be leave it without. Let's try another one. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. With this, only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They put down, close, 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 and close, and close in the first. Now increase, you put one more here, you have 2, then increase again, you put 1, 2, another increase, 1, 2, and another increase, 1 and 2. You have 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. See, you can even attach this one like this without just a small one. It will be cool too. You see? Of course, you need to pay attention to not twist them, to fix them. You know, that's kind of tedious job. That's why those kind of job cannot be quick attach, quick do, you know. And then you can do this border with this, but I think with another yarn you just put this border like a sewing. It will be cool too. So that's the ideas, okay?